Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. Before I get started, yes, you hear my cricket in the background. It is going to town. We're doing this December thing. I've got a lot to do, so I'm multitasking. So this layout is just going to be a regular layout that's going up on my channel because I'm getting super close of getting done here. Like these are, like this is just part of the trip now. We're getting there. So with that being said, I have two of these photos. This was a really good hole in the wall place that I ate while we were up in the mountains of North Carolina around Asheville. And then this was the cabin that we stayed at. This was like one of the photos on our way back. So I am going to be digging into my PageMaps. I print all of theirs off since they've been available from 2006 all the way until current. And so this is going to be the layout or the sketch that I am going to be using. And then I grabbed some older color cast designs. I like the word happy. And then she had this heart that went with the happy, just us. And then these are current and these are in the shop. And I'll link these down below. This is no longer available on the shop. I didn't find it on there, but these are, and they're absolutely gorgeous hearts. And what I am using is still part of that kit, but I am going to try to knock out some of this older Four Seasons collection that I had from Close to My Heart. It is 2022. So I'm going to use that, and I've got stickers, and if I need to, I'll pull in some other stuff. But let's see what I can do. Like I said, this is just a regular process video, just using up some of my Christmas products that I have purchased along the way. Like I said, the color cast designs, I will link what they do have left over. I will say that with the Black Friday sales and her Merry Everything collection that has been available, I guess since October, has really been picked over. So I will link what there is available for the Merry collection, and you can at least kind of pick and choose if you want to regarding the acrylic pieces. I absolutely love the acrylic pieces that I do get from Color Cast Designs. They are super durable, super everything. They're not like a big, thick acrylic piece. Okay, before I go further into Color Cast Designs, I went and got out one of my older Close to My Heart stamps that is like Stamp of the Month 2019. And I went around the border of this instead of my doodling, because in the sketch it has like a stitched edging, and I decided I am going to do this instead. So I'm just using my black ink and two stamps, and there's the stamp that I am using. Now I am grabbing also this tree set because we're outside. This is in between the two things that we were planning on doing for the day. And because we went hiking this particular day. We went hiking, and then we went to one of our favorite drinks that we drink, one of the craft drinks, the Bold Rock, is up in this area as well. So that is what we did. Now, I do not like the stamp set that I did. It's crooked. It's just not right. So you'll see me cover that up, but you'll see how I add in that strip of red into this with the stickers that I have off to the side. Now, with Color Cast Designs, I will tell you that her pieces are very durable, but they're not so thick. A lot of times when I get acrylic pieces, either they're like one of two ways. One, they're either super, like when I say super thick that it makes your pages really big and bulky when you're trying not to, or they're so thin that they break. And hers are in between, and that's what I love about them. They are just absolutely the right size for me. they're a lot like, for me, adding dimension to my page. You know, if you use I don't want to say stickers, but here, this is where I pull it back up again, and you'll see what I do. It turns out well. I do really love how, I covered up this goofy sticky thing that I tried doing. I do edge everything because I am using a white background. It pops those layers off. So if you're wanting to use a white background, which y'all know I don't really do that, but I'm getting better at it. Or not getting better at it, I'm just getting better at using it that way. I will do my doodling line around my pages so it sticks out. Then I do come in with shabby shutters, which is one of the greens that work really well with this color. You'll see how it pops off because of the color tones that I'm using. It's the right color. And I'm just edging around this, and you'll see me come in and make sure that it's, set up straight. So here's the thing about ColorCast designs. I love how thick they are. It's like a dimensional for me. I measured them up, and they're literally about the same. Now, their acrylic pieces are a little bit bigger or thicker, but not like terribly. And they don't, I'm going to knock on every wood piece. I have yet to have a piece break when they're in shipping. So, like I said, I'll link everything down below. This one is not one of my design team layouts. It just so happened that I wanted to use the word happy. And the older, this is an older Christmas collection from last year that's happy. And it says just us. Because, like I said in the beginning, or as I've been going through these, when we are military, Josh and I have always done it where we go on a trip right after he gets back. And so because of the timing he came back, I wasn't able to take time off. So what I did was we went right when the break happened. And so, I always give my daughter to one of my friends, and we just go because you have to rekindle it. It's just something that makes it easier on the family when they come back. Anyway, so the word happy and just us were in a pack that I got last year because I knew that I wanted to use this on this collection. So here I am. I'm just placing these little things, and now I'm just embellishing. The hearts are part of her new collection, and I will link those down below, and then I'll link the whole Merry Everything collection as well. And then I am using an older Close to My Heart collection, which is no longer available that I know of. So yeah, there is all of those pieces going on, and I really don't do much more than this. This is kind of about it. I do add some stickers on the bottom, and then I do add some pieces. I add that one piece over there, and then I add the other one like right there. So I really try to make sure that I add in some word pieces, and then I do come in with some gold splatters, and I make them very, very light splatter-ish on there. And then from Shimmer's Paints, I will link that down below as well of what I use, which this time around I think I used I used Sunset Strip this time, so I'll link that one down below. It's a vibe. It's typically they always have it. Now you may not see these enamel dots that I'm putting down, but they're like white-ish. They look like snow, but I know up against the white you probably can't see them, but I know in the still shots you'll be able to see them. And then I do come in with these little red dots just to kind of add in with the splatters, just to make it look, a little bit more festive. And then that is it. Make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel. I would love to have you. Typically on a normal schedule, I do upload between 2 to 3 times a week. I do collaborations, regular design team layouts, things like that, all the fun stuff. But for the month of December, you get a lot for me because I want to get all done with this. So yeah, you can tell that I'm using the splatters. The still shots are coming up. I hope that you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.